Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. My name is Rob and today's video is going to be a little bit different than the other videos that you're used to. Because today I'm going to be asking for your help and ideas, opinions. So I'm having some issues with the way my videos are looking to start out. And I don't know what I'm doing wrong. So that's where I'm asking you guys for help. The best way I can describe my issue that I'm having is, let's just say you go into your TV settings where you can mess with the aspect ratio and set it up for 16:9:4:3. My videos are looking, instead of filling up the screen, let's just use 4:3 as an example, is what they're looking at. But the video I took is a lot wider, or you got top and bottom, or some of them come side to side, and I think a lot of that has to do with which way I'm holding my phone, because I do all my videotaping on the phone right now. I got a Galaxy S20 and that's what I use for filming and doing my videos. So you basically can see in a small little square, you can see me and whatever's in the background a little bit. But then, like, say I'm going on doing a hiking video. For some reason, you can see me moving, on the sides or top, whichever it is. And like you can see the blue sky, but everything's like blurry. I'll put it in a picture up what I'm talking about, so you can see for yourself, and I'll explain it better. So that's the thing I need help with. I want to be able to make great content. If I'm doing, I want to do review. My channel consists of reviews and where I give you my honest opinion. If I think the product is a good thing and I think you should definitely get it, I'm going to let you know. If I don't think it's a great product and I've had problems with it, I'm going to make you aware of the problems. Leave it up to you to decide if you want to waste, spend the money on it and not, and try it. Because I know from experience, let's just say 1 out of every 1,000 things they make, there's going to be one bad and defective product. For example, I've worked at a gas station a while ago, and we have coffee and all that stuff, obviously. And there was a lot of times that every once in a while we got lids for the coffee that wasn't molded properly, so it wouldn't stay on. You go to pick it up and the lid comes off, and there's nothing you can do to have it stay on, and it's just a bad product. And then there's other times those lids are great, no problems with them at all. So, like I said, I want to give you my honest reviews. If I think you should get something, I'm going to let you know. I don't think you should get it, I'm going to let you know that. Because the way things are, especially nowadays, a lot of people not working and everything because of this. We don't need to be, wasting our, money on stuff that ain't that great. My other thing is, as I probably said already, my videos consist of reviews, hiking. As you can see, most of my videos have been trips to waterfalls. I want to show you more than just waterfalls. I want to be able to take you on hikes with us. If I go mountain biking, take you along, show you the scenery. Because, for example, like this one, time we went to our state campground at the other end of the state from where we live, we decided to take the bikes this year. Normally we don't take the bike, we haven't taken the bikes because we haven't had room for them, but we decided to take them last year, and we went on probably a 10-mile lease bike ride. We went exploring it more, and went farther than we normally do. We've always gone on long hikes there, but because we had the bikes, we took different trails and went different places. This state campground is an old military installation, and there was a lot of bunkers we came across. There was a lot of boards that had information on it. We also saw deer walking around on our hikes. We came across this pond that we checked out, and we saw a lot of turtles. I'd love to show you guys that, show you the views, great views of different areas we go, take you along the journey and stuff like that. Give you my thoughts on places we go, camping and traveling, have that part of the channel. I also do stuff on the Blackstone, because I've been trying new stuff, watching different videos, learning different things I could make on it, trying new things. Finally expanding my things I can cook list instead of being so limited on the same things all the time, and trying new things. But my other problem I'm having right now is I only have a few more things to review. I have a RV surge protector that I'm going to do a review on. If you got an expensive camper, it's definitely a must-have. It will definitely protect your camper, and it's a good investment. It's a good insurance policy. I'll go into more detail about that when I do a review on it. But it's definitely, like I said, it's definitely a must-have for any RV owner. Especially if you're spending a lot of money on an RV. Would I say you need it if, you buy a cheap pop-up to start out with? Probably not. It depends on how much your, RV has. It's just, because it's more, if you don't have an AC or you don't have a microwave, then it's not worth getting. But if you have a camper that has an AC unit, whether it's a pop-up or a travel trailer, you definitely want to get it. Because if not, you could end up spending a lot of money in repairs. But that will be a different video when I do the review on that. I got a snowblower that I'm going to do a video on, that I got. Do some snow blowing with it because I got an action camera, and I'll show you that when I do it, if we ever get snow. Right now it's the 11th of December, and within this past week it's just started getting really cold. We did have snow a while back, a big snowstorm, but it was so warm that in our area that it didn't stick, and it didn't last long. And then we got a couple flurries the other day and it disappeared. Like I said, it's the 11th and it's just starting to get cold. Other parts of our states got a lot of snow, from what I heard. Maybe not like a lot, but a lot compared to what we got. A couple inches at least. Their ground was covered. they had to brush off their cars. We didn't have to brush off our cars. But so yeah, so obviously there's gonna be limited on being able to go hiking because it's just getting too cold around here. I'm not saying that I won't go hiking, but it's gonna be less likely. Also, my other thing is, you know, I haven't been doing much on the Blackstone since it's getting like dark at 4 o'clock. And we usually don't start cooking dinner until 5 because my girlfriend doesn't get out until 5:30, and by the time she gets home it's almost 6:30 depending on traffic. So I've just been cooking in the house. But yeah, so I'm just limited on ideas of what I can do once I run out of review products to review that I got around the house. You know, depending on what I get for Christmas and all that stuff, or stuff that I might have to buy, you know, down the road in the meantime until spring. So if you have any thoughts and ideas of what I could do to keep making videos, I want to make great content. Even if I do vlogs talking about life, my life, you know, things I did as a kid, you know, give my thoughts and opinions on movies I watch and tell you about them, or stuff like that. I'd love for some of you companies, if any of you companies are watching, I'd love to review your products if it involves camping, electronics, anything like that. I know right now I'm just starting out my YouTube channel, so I know that's not going to happen anytime soon until I get a large, huge amount of subscribers. But you know, I just wanted to put it out there just in case. You know, never hurts to ask anything. But yeah, that's what I'm looking for help on. Ideas. Yeah, it's just been a hard year. Still learning a lot about YouTube, and I just want to make a great channel. Show you the sights and show you new things I've learned how to cook on the Blackstone. But yeah, I hope you liked this video. I hope you will subscribe, hit the like button, leave your comments below. You know, if you have any ideas what you guys would like to see. Yeah, I know I mentioned I'm gonna be reviewing a RV surge protector at some point. I'm gonna be doing a couple leaf blowers I got at the house that I'm gonna do a review on. So still have a couple things right now in the works. So thanks for watching. Like I said, I hope you like this video. I hope you will subscribe. Give me a chance to grow my channel, give you honest reviews, show you great scenery when I do hikes and waterfalls, and show you the endless possibilities to cook on the Blackstone griddle. So hope you enjoy your weekend. Hope the weather is good for you. Hope you're all is well, and hope you're all safe. Stay safe in this hard time. And keep your family safe and all that. Once again, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.